Happy 4th of July, everyone. It's Ocean. I'm just doing some garden watering before I head off and do a 4th of July 5K run, which is going to be fun. And random cut off because my phone got a little wet while watering. Go figure. Anyway, happy 4th of July. Hope you all have or had a wonderful 4th of July, depending on when you're seeing this. I am just going off to grab a Celsius and get ready for the 5K. I'm definitely nervous, but it's good exercise. It's a good way to start the day. It is about, what time is it? 7:30 in the morning right now, so not too bad, but we'll see on the track. Race ready. Alright, we're going. I finished, but I'm dead as my legs are dead. I can barely stand up, but I powered through at the end. Did a little Verstappen moment, I guess. And I didn't see the full time, but it was 30 minutes. Like 30 something minutes, not 30 minutes and something seconds, but. And I guess I'll wait for the time to come out, but we did it. Back in the car. I just stopped at a bakery to meet my mom and sister afterwards and got an iced tea. Finished an iced tea. And I got a fancy croissant.
Are you going to finish that croissant?
Knock yourself out.
So I'm heading home to shower now so I don't smell like sweat the rest of the day. Excuse me. And then after that, it is parade time. I'm not in the parade, I wish I was, but we're gonna watch it, sit probably in just the same area I just got out of. And then after the parade, it's to family's house for a little 4th of July celebration. And then, obviously, fireworks. There's just all the rowing shells are out. And as a rower, as a post rower, ex rower, whatever, that is very interesting to me to see the shells out. Not bad interesting, but interesting because I like seeing the shells. cut it out.
Yeah, give me another one. Give me another one and cut this one
Cut
out.
it out.
He said pulp, seeds,
said
everything but the skin.
It is after food. My hair is a mess. I'm on gym mats, just laying down. I'm definitely feeling bloated, but it's 4th of July. Holidays. Calories don't count on holidays. At least that's my logic. My broken logic.